amazing, we won the ball again!
I love you guys.
This V6 is amazing.
It's crazy.
Here I'm like 20%. But it's incredible. And noise is nice, yeah? It's a rocket. It's not a car. Still alive. But the power of the car is so amazing. And they give you confidence. Torque is huge, zero turbo lag. Electric turbo helps a lot because the car is so reactive.
Fantastic. Let's switch then.
This one was on the limit.
No, but you know what? It didn't feel on the limit. It was the same like the one you did. Let's go out for dinner in this car. You are the king, huh?
I am for sure.
This is the coolest car I've ever driven for sure.